This is Sushree. I'm here again with you. So today we will go through the chapter of class 4, the maths chapter 1. The chapter name is shapes around us. So प्रथमे चैप्टर जीवा पूर्व मु प्रथमे समस्त गोटे क्वेश्चन करी आज समस्ते स्कूल टिफिन नहीं थिलो ना नहीं टिफिन बॉक्स नहीं थिबो टिफिन बॉक्स रे मम्मास कौन करंदी ना पराठा समटाइम they give us sandwich, sometime the biscuit is there and sometime the other food. We are finding it in some different shapes. So जो माने पूरी निया बा रुटी निया से शेप टा कौन कि कहि परिबो पूरी रो शेप टा केमती देखिया को राउंड केमती देखिया पे राउंड एटा पूरी बेले लागुच ना नहीं ताले तार ना कौन जान सर्कल ठीक अच्छे जो माने सैंडविच निया सैंडविच रो शेप केमती थाए this so this is called triangle okay sometime we take biscuit in square size right they are square जହାର चारिटा जक साइड सेम अच्छी and sometime we take our pencil box they are look like rectangles. So these are the basic shape of geometrical things. Geometrically these are the mathematical shapes. This is a circle who has no corners, no straight lines, but this is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 corners, 3 vertex. Okay, आमे corner vertex ये सब कौन धीरे धीरे पढ़िबा एबे चलो चैप्टर भीतर को जिबा चैप्टर दला दीक्षा wanted to go to a big city. दीक्षा गोटे झियो थिला जे चाहुथिला मु गोटे बड़ सिटी को जिबी बुलिया पई when the summer vacation now the summer vacation is running right so this is why she want to go to somewhere else like a big city. Okay, her father took her to Delhi. Her father took her to take Delhi and they visited many old and new interesting mountains like the monuments like the India Gate, Qutub Minar, Safdarjung Tomb and Aksaradhan and the National Museum and the Jantar Mantar and the Sansad Bhavan. So these are the old monuments, okay, and they are very interesting. So this is why they have gone to visit over there in the summer vacations. Have you gone to this place? Have you ever gone to this place with a family? Okay, I also have gone, but this Siksha, this is a very beautiful and small girl who has been visited with her father to these places. These are the monuments, the old monuments made by the king, the Britishers, okay. So the oldest time, the people who have made it, nowadays they are the monuments which we are called the our ethics, okay. So एड़ा होची हमर पुराना monuments जो गुडा को बनै चंदी आगो कालिया माने पुराना सब king सब the head they are made it for us. These monuments are very famous in the whole world like the Taj Mahal. Have you ever visited to that place? Taj Mahal? Yes, it is also in Delhi, right? Taj Mahal, this is also made by a king who is Shahjahan. So these are the monuments. Monuments माने जो पुराना सब किला अच्छी जोड़ा कि world famous. So what happened next? Now she is trying to make a model of India, ठीक है? And get using her wooden blocks. ता पाखरे कौन अच्छी ना already एटी wooden blocks सब अच्छी. एटा सब से मिसेक कौन कर ना गोटे इंडिया गेट बनइब केमिति बनइब ट्राई टू मेक अ मॉडल ऑफ बिल्डिंग शो हियर यूजिंग ब्लॉक्स फर्स्ट कौन करिवो व्हाट हैपेंड ऑफ द बिल्डिंग हैव यू शोन इन द मॉडल फॉर एग्जांपल रूफ पिलर बेस एक्सेट्रा सो व्हाई डिड यू सिलेक्ट दिस पार्ट्स अच्छा कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस पार्ट्स कैन यू टेल मी okay let's remember and let's recall these parts if she trying to make a India gate first of all she will use this kind of blocks so what are they called what is the name of this is the 3D shapes 3D shapes means 3-dimensional it has height it has base it has length so this is why it is called a 3D shapes who is known as cuboid. What I call it? Cuboid. You can call it as cuboid. And this is called cylinder. What? It is called a cylinder. Okay. And this is a semicircle. What? It is a semicircle. It is also the same. Here it and these are called cubes cubes माने आमे square 2D shape होची 3D shape होची cube सेम rectangle रो 3D shape होबो cuboid तो एगुडा को सब से यूज करके कोन बनेबो ना इंडिया गेट बनेबो see the question are here what a shape will model this part well so what are the parts name the cylinder, the cuboid, the cubes, these are the parts. How is your model similar to the picture of the real building? Yes, if you will use the 3D models, 3D parts or 3D blocks, you can made as it is a real life model. How is it different from the real building? Yes, the real buildings are made up of many kind of shapes like it has a cone shape, it has a tomb like the semicircle shape, the many different shapes we are using or the several kind of patterns we are using in the real buildings like in an apartment. There are so many windows, there are so many doors, there are so many balconies and gates. So they are made up of a particular shape or patterns. If the window of a particular flat is that place, exactly the next above of the flat will be the window at the same place. So they are like a pattern. The shapes are the same in an apartment. But the monument kind of thing, there are several kind of shapes. So here is a project for you. You need to make a Qutub Minar. Okay. You need to make a Qutub Minar using some blocks. What shape would you use this? Yes, here we have used one cuboid and cube and the cylinder. Okay. Do you know Qutub Minar is a World Heritage Site and the tallest building made up of bricks. So Qutub Minar is an old monument who is made up of some bricks. It has 5 stories and 379 stairs. ता भितर केतेटा सीढ़ी जो अच्छी stairs अच्छी ना 379 and the whole building is made by some bricks only. So you think how this is why it is priceless. Earlier people made buildings by using wood, brick, stone blocks. Okay. Today also we are using the concrete blocks, hollow blocks, etc. What is the common all of these bricks? See, have you ever seen this kind of bricks? Whenever or wherever the new construction sites you can go and visit, this kind of brick you can found there. Okay. Make a sphere like shape with the proper strips. Diksha has folded open and flattened a box to see what an open box look like. अच्छा से केमती तमे निजे चाहिले भी पेपर्स यूज करे कि ए सब जिनस गुड़ाक बन पार लाइक द ट्रायंगुलर प्रिज्म द क्यूबॉइड क्यूब हेक्सागोनल प्रिज्म एंड ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड स्क्वायर पिरामिड ये सब तुम चाहिए बन पार बाय यूजिंग योर पेपर. What shapes of face is common in all the prism? अच्छा ये सब कॉमन कोटा कहि परबो एडी अछि प्रिज्म कहला ना प्रिज्म रे कोटा कॉमन प्रिज्म रे कॉमन अछि कोन स्क्वायर देखो स्क्वायर बा रेक्टेंगल हमरो कॉमन अछि देखो एटी भी स्क्वायर अछि एटी भी but in pyramid the common is only triangle but here is the quadrilateral. So what we can write here? We will write the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral मतलब माने गोटे चारि कोणिया जिनस बुझि पारलो एठी भी गोटे चारि कोणिया जिनस अछि जोटा कि फ्लैट एटा कॉमन दिस इज आल्सो कॉमन एंड दिस इज सी तो आमे एटा कोन कहू ना क्वाड्रिलेटरल कहू. एंड व्हाट इज द कॉमन हियर द ट्रायंगल ठीक अछि पिरामिड रे हमें कोन पाइबा ना ट्रायंगल पाइबा. सो एटा मु कोन लिखि परिबी ट्रायंगल लिखि परिबी. व्हाट अदर शेप्स डू दिस प्रिज्म्स हैव प्रिज्म रे अलग अलग शेप सब कोन अछि देखो पेंटागन अछि ट्रायंगल गोटा अछि हमें सेटा लिखि परिबा पेंटागन्स एंड ट्रायंगल्स. एटी सब कॉमन कौन कौन अच्छी ऑल ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगुलर फेस मीट एट अ पॉइंट समस्त केतरा पॉइंट रे एट वन पॉइंट केतरा पॉइंट रे गोटिए पॉइंट रे सब फेस गुड़ाक जाइए मिसी चंती. हाउ मेनी सच फेसेस इच तो सब फेस गुड़ा तुम काउंट करके लिखि परिबो एंड एटी भी सेम एंड द अदर शेप्स आर द स्क्वायर रेक्टेंगल ऑल ऑफ दिस. Now try to make the above shapes. Okay, now you trying to make the above shapes using the straws and plasticine threads and fill in the tables. Cube, square and prism. Number of the faces. अच्छा एटा गोटे होची क्यूब क्यूब रो नंबर ऑफ फेसेस केते रहइबो 6 रहइबो ठीक अछि. तमे निजे चाहिए को काउंट करके भी लिखि पारिबो तो मु गोटिए मात्र करबी बाकी सब तुम माने करिवो केतरा रहइबो तारा 6 रहइबो. एंड कॉर्नर देखो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ठीक अछि केतरा कॉर्नर रहउची तारा एपटे रहउची तळे रहउची बेस रहउची हमर चारिटा एई साइड रहउची दुईटा एठी भी दुईटा तो टोटल हमर केतरा हला कॉर्नर 8 होची हमर कॉर्नर. नंबर ऑफ द एजेस माने ए जो स्टिक्स अछि 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 ताल टोटल हला केतरा ना 12 तो तमे सेई भलिया को गणी करी लिखि परबो. So can you tell me who is the edges here? The sticks are edges. एटा को हमें edges कहबा. What is the corner? ये जो गोल गोल गुडा को अछि मैचस्टिक रो छडा होजी कॉर्नर बुझियला. फेस होजी कोटा ना ए जो फ्लैट जगहटा एटा होजी हमर फेस बुझियला. हमें एमती करी कि आराम से करि परिबो. नेक्स्ट identify any relationship that you may find between the number faces edges and corners. Calculate f plus b minus e in each cases. Here are the 3D shapes 1 flat face 2 flat face 3 4 5 6 and 8. Now 3D shapes, these are the 3D shapes short and here are also the 3D shapes but with the edges. तुम मैंने ये काउंट करके जो टेबलटा लास्ट बनइब से आंसरटा पाई एथरे ऑलरेडी दिखाई एजेस को लिखिया भाई.